How to change background color on Squarespace. Hey everybody, in this video, I'll show you how to change background color on Squarespace. To start this tutorial, make sure you open your internet browser and you're already logged in to squarespace.com. In here, we have just opened support.squarespace.com. In here, these are step-by-step processes on how to change site-wide colors. First, we'll show you step number 1. While editing a page, click the paintbrush icon. There are many ways to do it, so let's kinda read what it says here over at support.squarespace.com. The best course of action over here is to follow whatever support.squarespace.com has already said on changing colors on the background of your Squarespace website. This one over here. It's steps 1 to 4. Now, in order to do this, you must already have your own website set up over at Squarespace. And that's it. Make sure you just follow steps 1 to 4 and everything should all be good. Thank you very much for watching. Hopefully you got some value in this one. And as always, leave a like, share, and while you're at it, subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you in the next one.